Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video. Today I have a SheGlam Color Bloom haul. I purchased all three of the blush formulas and the gorgeous Vanilla Frost highlighter. The Color Bloom liquid blush in shade Rose Ritual is a really pretty rosy pink. It has a gel cream formula with a matte finish and it is $4.99. The Color Bloom DayGlow in shade Love Cake is a bright pink. This blush also has a gel cream formula with micro shimmers that give the skin a luminous glow. And it is also $4.99. Next is the limited edition Marilyn Monroe Color Bloom Dewy liquid blush in the shade Hollywood. It is a true red. It has a non-sticky sheer gel formula that delivers a subtle flush of color, and it was $5.49. I love this packaging. The black and red with the silver sparkles is just so pretty. The Color Bloom liquid highlighter in Vanilla Frost is an absolutely stunning pearlescent white gold. It has a creamy hydrating formula and it was $4.25. Thanks for watching. I am so excited to test out these blushes and the highlighter. They're also going to make gorgeous additions to my vanity table. What do you think of the SheGlam Color Bloom collection? Have you tried any of the products? Let me know in a comment below. Also, tell me what you thought of today's video, and until next time, bye!